Well, we got two brand new styles from 4Play Wheels. So shout out to 4Play for sending us two brand new styles. So I have two of them here. I have the 4P08 and then the 4P50. So kind of funky names. These wheels are absolutely nuts. We have two samples. It's a 22 by 12, another 22 by 12. And before, we didn't want to basically bore you guys with a classic unboxing where we rip it open, show you all the plastic. No need for that. But before I unveil these, I wanted to show you this. So check this out. The covers that come on the wheels are like a really cool neoprene cover, nice screen printed 4Play logo on there. And then the back is like a very cool, like a felt, so really cool cover. So check this thing out. So this is going to be the 4P08 in 22 by 12, -44. And then this is going to be the brushed black. Now this is one of 5 different new styles that 4Play has for their 2019 collection. And right off the bat here, you can just see massive concave. You have this spoke diving all the way out to the edge of the lip, and you're gonna see a brushed spoke and then a brushed outer portion of the lip as well. You have a step lip here, giving it a little more dimension. This is a covered cap on this one, so just a one-piece cap hiding those lug nuts. These wheels are available in 5, 6, and 8 lug bolt patterns, and the 8 lug bolt patterns are actually going to have a open lug nut style, so in case you want to run a set of spikes, you could certainly do that. But we opened these, we were really impressed. It's just a really cool wheel that it looks a little bit different from a lot of the other styles that are out there. A lot of the other brands kind of have a similar look. These guys kind of went against the grain, did something a little bit different. Very high-end looking wheel. Now it's actually an injection cast wheel, so it's still cast, but I heard that they do have plans to do some forged styles later in 2019. So really cool 4Play logo here. But here's what's pretty neat, check this out. These guys actually do a stainless steel real bolt that goes all the way through here. So once again, giving it a little more detail, giving it that kind of multi-piece look. And if I flip it around the back side, you can actually see the bolt here too. Go all the way through there. So what's kind of cool is if you guys are feeling crafty and want to do something wild, you could certainly, powder coat the hardware. You could find spiked hardware, do something a little more wild, but just freaking huge concave on these. So really sick wheel, very heavy, high gloss clear coat over the top of these. So it's just really shiny, really pretty looking wheel. Definitely something, once again, a little more unique from what we're used to seeing. So let me undo the other one here. Let me check real quick. Once again, this one is the 4P50. So let's check her out. Now this is going to be the brush titanium color. So you have like a more of a metallic kind of gray, and then you can see the brushed face here with that nice heavy clear coat again over the top. Massive concave, that split spoke extending all the way out to the end there, and then the spoke even kind of rises above the lip too, giving it some nice detail. You have that brushed portion around the full outside portion of the lip as well. Once again, covered cap. This is a really cool cover because that black and machined is a very popular color combination. Of course, we always see those as coming through the shop daily. This gray with the machined or brushed is actually really cool. It's a different look. Something I think that would tie up nicely with like an old school square body, or you tossed on something a little more modern, it would look pretty cool as well. Massive concave again on this one, just insane. Now these wheels are available in just a couple sizes. It's a little more limited. You're going to see, let me grab my sheet here. I got 20 by 10, 22 by 10, and then 22 by 12. Once again, 5, 6, and 8 lug bolt patterns. All 5 styles are on the Lifted Truck Club page, or you can even find them at extremecustoms.com. You're looking at about, I want to say it was like $540 all the way up to about $570 per wheel. So you're a little over $2,000 on a set of these, but I think that's absolutely killer to get something that looks this nice and high made for such a, a pretty good price point. Now something else I want to point out and show you guys here. I grabbed one of the tags, was doing some research. These guys are based out of Sarasota, Florida, so they're, more of a US brand. But it's pretty cool here. You can see all the different tests they do. Impact tests. What do we got here? A bending test, coating test, assault test, tensile test. So, these guys go through all the motions to make sure you're getting a high quality wheel, that it's going to last. Once again, good price point on these. So these are going to be new styles, once again, from the 2019 collection from 4Play Wheels. Check them out at liftedtruckclub.com. Make sure to drop us a comment. Let us know what you guys think of these 2 styles. There's 3 other styles available. We'll try to drop a picture of those for you guys to take a look at. They all look super sick. We'll catch you guys on the next unboxing, and we'll keep these videos coming as we get more new wheels in. Thanks for watching.